Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cindy CJ. So guys, I'm going to be making Okpa Enugu today. Okpa Enugu, my mom brought the Okpa when she was coming, like the Okpa flour. Yeah, so Okpa, for those that don't know what Okpa is, I think Okpa is called Bambara nut flour in English. Yeah, so I'll flip the camera now, set you guys up where you guys will see everything, how I'll be doing it, how I'll be mixing it. Can you guys see? So this is the upper flour. Upper flour, that's what it looks. So here is my pepper, here is salt, red oil, here is the upper flour, here is still some red oil and dry pepper. Yeah, so these are the basic ingredients. I'll be using. Hot water, so pour it by bit and stir. So pour, stir it by bit. Keep adding hot water bit by bit and keep stirring. And so bit by bit, like I said, not so much bits. So this is the consistency I'm going for. You guys see? Can you see? It's not too thick, so this should be fine. And here is my pepper. Some salt. Here is my salt. That's basically it, but I want it very spicy, so I'll add some dry pepper. That's it. This should do. With a good stir, then taste for salt, and then that's it. Sprinkle a little bit. That's it. And I've got this piece of rope. That's what I'll be tying my okpa with. So let's go. Bubbles. closer to the bar, like so. Then using the rope, you start wrapping it round, like so. You guys see? Wrap, 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 wrap. So once you're done, you toss it straight into the pot. Can you guys see? So once you're done wrapping, you put it right inside the pot. No need to waste time. You don't want your okpa looking like moi moi. So yeah, just throw this in the pot. Pot of boiling water. Let me show you guys. So water is boiling. Can you guys see the steam? So as I tie, I drop inside the pot of boiling water. Pot. And these are the ropes I'll be using. So yeah. So guys, our okpa is ready and I'll be enjoying this okpa with custard. It reminds me of uni days back in the university when I normally wake up, I think by 7 or so, to wait for this okpa woman that normally brings this yummy okpa to the hostel to sell. Oh well, you guys, that is the end of this video. I'm sure you enjoyed this, and don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay,